Okay, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sugar Salon TV. Just wanted to show you guys the finished product of the wig that I made. If you did not see the wig that I made, the tutorial, I will drop it down below and you can look at that video where I actually made this wig. So you guys, I just simply wanted to make a video just showing you guys how the wig ended up looking, and just want to press it out, and then at the end you're going to see me kind of cut a bang. I'm going to show you guys how I cut my bang and all that good stuff, so please continue to watch. And so you guys know that I try to make it pretty thick, so again, you can look at the tutorial. I'll drop it down below. So now I'm just going to press it out. So if you guys don't mind, please comment, like, subscribe. I'm still trying to build up my subscribers. So this, what you saw me just put in, is just some serum, you guys. It's Kenra. That's Kenra. It's a professional brand. And these are my Babyliss Pro flat irons. This is the 1.5 inch flat iron. It's pretty big. And you guys, I make it so simple. If you're not already a subscriber, all you have to do is just scan that QR code that you see right there in front of you, and just click on the subscribe button when you come to my homepage of my YouTube channel, which is SugarSalonTV. So anyway, you guys, if you could please like this video, what that will do is help my algorithms. So it'll help more people find out about my channel. So all you have to do is just click on the like. Just click it and like it. And I'm hoping you're going to like the video. Just click it and like it, and that'll help me with my channel. And I'll be much greatly appreciative. So you guys, also I want to tell you guys that I have a Instagram page. It's Sugar Salon TV. If you could do me a favor and go to my Instagram and join me there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my YouTube channel, friend me on there. And what I do on there, you guys, is put like videos or upcoming videos that I'll be making soon. And that's my Cash App right there if you decide to do that. Thank you so much. But I'm going to be putting more and more videos on here. I'm a retired hairstylist in Atlanta, and I've been doing hair over 30 years in the industry. I didn't do hair the whole 30 years, but I've been in the industry off and on for over 30 years. I just retired the end of last year, which is the end of 2023. I had a storefront salon. I had a team of hairstylists. I had mainly commissioned hairstylists, but I did have some booth rental stylists. So yeah, just a long history of business ownership, also corporate America. I retired from hair but went back to corporate. So back to this wig, I was just trying to give you guys a little bit about me. So just back to this wig. So yeah, go to the video and watch it, you guys. And anything you want to see, please drop it in the comments below. But just to give you guys a heads up, I'm going to do another tutorial where I'm going to make another wig like I made this one, except I'm going to use a lace closure. So again, I'm going to make another tutorial video, make the wig the same way, except I'm going to use a lace closure. So look for that one to come. If you get on my Instagram, which is Sugar Salon TV, if you get on there, then you will see when I post the date that I'm gonna put that video up. So again, it's gonna be this same type of wig, which is really easy to make, and except it's gonna have a lace closure. Because the way I made this wig is pretty good for like if you want to wear a bang or something like that, or if you're not worrying about a part showing, like you just want to push the hair over to the side. or you know, in the front, or you can do like a bang. So I made this wig for me, and I knew that I would be wearing a bang, so that's why I made this type of wig. If you're trying to if you prefer the look where you have a part and it looks like a scalp, then stay tuned for my next tutorial video. I'm going to make another wig like this, the same way you saw me make this one, except I'm going to show you how to do it with a lace closure. So stay tuned for that. You see right here? Stay tuned. I'm going to do a lace front wig tutorial soon. This right here, I just wanted to show you how the wig turned out. You see, you can't really see. Well, you see I put the tracks really close together, like I said in the video when I was making it. So it just depends on you, however you decide to make yours. If you decide that you want it really thick, or if you want it kind of on the thinner side or on a natural looking side. Like I told you guys, I knew the density of this hair wasn't real heavy. And so that's why I put the tracks pretty close together. Because even though I did that, you see the hair don't look really, really too super thick. Because you're going to go by the density, which means the thickness of the hair. The thickness of it. The density. A stylist, we call thickness density. So this hair that I used, it wasn't real dense or thick. So that's why I put the tracks close together, because I knew how I wanted my wig to turn out. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Again, please give me a like. That would be a blessing. Because if you like it, you know, just click on the like. If you give me a like, that'll help my algorithms. Everything on YouTube is all about algorithms and all about whatever kind of activity comes to your page. Like if somebody come to your page and subscribe, or if they click the bell, or if they drop a comment, or if they give you a like, all of that helps your channel, and then other people will discover your channel. Like my channel, you guys, it's a bit different because I like to put a variety of things on here, so you'll see other stuff in my playlist as well. Now you guys, I'm going to show you how to cut the bang, but I'm going to give you guys a heads up. These shears that I'm using and the razor that you're going to see me using is very dull. Both of them are dull because most of my stuff is still packed up in boxes. Again, I just retired 2 months ago, really. So a lot of my good shears and brand new razors are packed up in a box somewhere. So you guys bear with me. So what I'm doing here is called point cutting. That's when the shears, the tips of the shears are pointed towards your finger. You have to be really careful because you don't want to cut your fingers. And the best way, if you're going to point cut, to do it is, you see how my fingers are way away from the hair that I'm cutting. Now I have cut my fingers point cutting before, and it's not fun. So I wouldn't even recommend you do this at all if you're not a hairstylist, because it's easy to cut your finger. But these shears are extremely dull. So what I did when I was talking a minute ago, when I took the width of the bang, so you determine how wide you want your bang to be, and then you section that out. And then I took the ends of it, then I kind of twisted it over. I twisted it. If you could rewind it back and go back to that part, you will see where I twisted the hair. Not really like a 2-strand twist, but just twirl it around. If you go back to that part, you will see, if you rewind it back, you'll see what I'm talking about. So when you do like that, when you twist it like how you see me doing, when you go back, that makes it where the bang is not blunt. The bang is, it kind of drops longer on each side. So you know how you see people have bangs and the sides of the bang are longer. See how it looks? That's what twisting it does. When you go back and rewind, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I cut it with those dull shears, you guys. Point cut it. So now I'm just tweaking. So I'm taking this dull razor. Bear with me. And I'm just kind of making it the length I want it. I like my bangs to be kind of long, so I usually, trim my bang kind of long. So this is the wig that you just saw me flat ironing. I just wanted to show you how I cut my bang, and you can see that some of the hair doesn't look as straight, so I went back and I pressed it out with my flat iron a little bit more. Usually when I'm flat iron a hair that has a wave to it, I'll blow dry it out first, because if you blow it out first, that's part of the, you've already resolved part of the pressing part, because you've already pressed it out with the blow dryer. But I didn't do it this time, so that's why you see some waviness. And at the end, I'm going to show you guys some after pictures. And again, so here's the after pictures, and I hope you subscribe. I hope you like. I'm going to see you on the next video. Don't forget to watch the one that I'm going to drop down